In this video, we are going to see how to show nodes in the list view. Now, I am going to create a row for the list. Row will display title and content of the node. Giving leading and spacing for the view stack. Adding text view and giving font and line limit for that. Adding another text view for content. Adding font and line limit for content text view. Adding padding for view stack. Now I am going to include list view for the nodes. For that, include a list view. Inside that, include a for each. For each must iterate nodes variable from the node store. Now include the nodes row. Now include environment variable for node store. Model we are going to iterate should be identifiable. Here I am going to make a condition that when the nodes are empty, I am going to show the empty view, else I am going to show the nodes list. I am including this inside the group. Now include dismiss environment variable. Now call the dismiss after save button is clicked. When app is launched, we are going to show the list view. We are going to create a load function that will load the data from the user default, and we are going to call that load function inside the init function of node store. Now we are going to run the project. Adding a note, and clicking the save button. Now we can see the added note is displayed in the list view. Again, I am running the project to show notes are displayed while app is launched. Thanks for watching.